Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to walk you through some of my favourite things for macro photography without going out into the gardens per se, but I just wanted to run you through just a couple of accessories that I use all the time. This is one. You can get these really cheap. They're like about $20, $25 on eBay, Amazon, whatever, and they just fit over your lens like so. And what that does is when I put a flash on my camera, so if I'm using a flash, I can put this on my lens so that I am not blasting out whatever it is that I'm trying to catch on macro. I'm not blasting out whatever I'm trying to catch on macro, even if my flash has a little diffuser on it. So that's a really good one. You can also get these little sock diffusers that sort of fit over the top as well. I need 10 hands to do this though. It's got a little elastic thing on it, and that will open up and just make it, when you fire the flash, it is just a little bit softer. You can use that with or without the diffuser that comes with your flash. So I'll put the links for those down below. Now this is the Godox IT30 flash, and I love it. It is, I'll put a full link for the review below, but that is the trigger and that is the flash, and it just pops on and you can use it like that. You can swivel it up, you can swivel it down. It also has manual and TTL. So if you're outside shooting in ambient light and it's a bit dark and you just need a kiss of light just to really make the image pop, this is amazing for macro. Absolutely love it. Another one that's really handy if you're out and about is having a little mini LED light panel. So this is one from K&F Concepts. So this is a 12-watt RGB portable light. And you just turn it on and it blasts the light away. Now you can, there is a little connector, so you can put this, there's a little screw in here. Turn it off, I'm blasting myself. There is a screw here, so you can mount it on the cold shoe of your camera, or of course you can put it on the ground. Because it's not on your camera, you can have it on the side, on top. So if you're out and about and you're shooting mushrooms or toadstools or little flowers on the ground, you can put it down and shoot from there. So it says 12 watt, but to be honest, this really is quite bright. But you can get different variations. Xion has a little square one. There's all sorts of things. So it has a little LED panel on the back, and it's got little buttons on the side, and you can change the color, change the power, so you can have it warm or cool. But it's also RGB, so you can change the different colors and you can play around with that as well. So that's another really cool product for your macro photography. And it's not just macro, you can use this in the studio as well. So if you're doing still life or product photography or something like that, I did a really cool shoot with some kids' toys. So that was kind of fun to play with that, and I had a smoke machine and stuff like that. But for macro photography, because this is quite small, you can just throw it in your pocket and you're good to go. So that's it for today, just a relatively quick one. As I said, I will put links below. So diffusion, flash, LED lighting, they are fabulous to throw in your bag if you're going out doing macro photography. If you'd like to hear more tips and tricks on macro or still life or any other types of photography, don't forget to subscribe. And I'd love it if you gave us a thumbs up. Tell me in the comments, what do you use when you're out and about shooting macro? I'd love to know. And I'll see you on YouTube next time. Bye.